Right guys, we've got to determine if this is a load bearing wall, because this wall is coming out here. So the process, just hacking off top row there, I've popped through, right? It's not brick, so it's a stud wall, okay? So does that mean we can just knock the wall through? There's still steps what I'd say you'd need to do for safety. So what I'll do is I'll expose all this. I'll get up into the eaves. And then what we'll do is we'll check our joists to see if any of these joists are running and landing on any of this timber here. Obviously, with a timber wall, it's not going to be, carrying mass amounts of loads, but it could still be carrying a tank in the loft or, anything. So it's always worth the process of going up, having a look. And if you have to knock a few timbers in just for some supports, it's worth doing that first. But I know that is going to go, that goes through to our closet now. So that's once I've checked upstairs, then check my supports, and then we're good to go. But if this was a brick wall, it's the same process. Hack off, have a look, see if it's brick, pop through. You can pop one brick through, it's not going to fall. So you can have a look up, up there then. And it's a great indicator if you pop through and then poke something through. When you go in the loft, you can find your location, find your wall. And then when you go upstairs, you want to see what joist, timbers, what's landing on this block here. Because if we're brick, potentially you'd then have to obviously put a beam in or support it. But it's always worth checking what's above. All right, guys.